Good evening, everybody. My name is Alejandro Miguel Acayan, and I'm running for Vice President for Publications and Promotions. As some of you might know, the creation of promotions for projects is a whole year task, since the Pubs and Promos Committee is the one in charge of creating posters and other promotional materials for most projects of Psyche. With this in mind, Pubs and Promos would highly benefit from a core team that will serve as a pool of creative people that can be utilized by Ateneo Psyche. Within this pool of creative people, tasks can be distributed more evenly, and promos won't have to be done by the VP or the AVPs anymore. This way, the younger core members will be given or handed down skills that they will need if they want to be future leaders of Psyche, or for pubs at least. The chosen group of people will also benefit from experiences or incentives that are strictly unique to being a member of the Pubs and Promos Committee. One example of this is that the core team members have an artistic outlet through the posters and promos that they will create for Psyche projects. Ideally, the core team will be made up of these 10 people, three image and or video editors, 3 photographers, 2 writers, and 3 flexible members. The next point in my platform is that every major project of Psyche that involves any decorations, artworks, or promotions is then The next point in my platform is that every major project of Psyche that involves any decoration, artworks, or promotions will benefit from a representative of Pubs and Promos. This representative will be set from the core team of Pubs and will then join the inner workings of the core team of the project. This is quite similar to what Secgen is doing now, where a representative from Secgen is always on hand during meetings of major projects. This rep from Pubs can be utilized as a consultant for issues regarding the creation, promotion, architecture, and related matters concerning the project assignments. Another task I would like the reps for projects to be able to do is to be my point person for the newsletter. Usually, the write-ups for the newsletter are done by the project heads. But sometimes, the project heads become too busy and end up not being able to do the write-ups for the newsletter. This is where my reps come in. Since they will be exposed to everything that will happen in and outside of the project, they can write the newsletter as a last resort. Regarding the projects of Pubs, I plan to maintain all of the projects that were implemented this year. Namely, the Artist's Corner, the monthly newsletter, and the Insider magazine. I would, however, like to add other forms of art in the Artist's Corner project. This year, only Photoshop lessons were available for November 2017. Next year, I would like to include drawing, painting, and writing as well. The resulting artworks from the members of Psyche that will attend will then be posted either at the Psyche board, either at Sawak, or anywhere inside the Psyche room. That way, the potential artists in our org will have the recognition that they deserve. Once again, I'm Alejandro Miguel Acayan running for Vice President for Publications and Promotions.